In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display an image in the background of a Power BI chart. Whether you're creating reports for business presentations or academic purposes, customizing your visuals can make a powerful impact. So let's delve into this step-by-step guide to enhance your Power BI reports. First up, you'll want to open Power BI on your computer. If you're familiar with this environment, you'll know that Power BI is your go-to tool for creating comprehensive and visually appealing data reports. Once you have it open, you'll need to import your data. This can be done by selecting Get Data from the Home tab. Here you have numerous options such as Excel, SQL Server, or cloud-based sources like Azure and others. Choose your data source and connect it to Power BI. Once loaded, make sure it's correctly visualized in the data view to avoid any discrepancies later on. Now that your data is in place, it's time to decide on the type of visualization you want to use. Power BI offers a rich palette of visualization options, from bar charts to pie charts and even more complex ones like waterfall or funnel charts. Select one that best suits the story you want to tell with your data. This visual will act as the lens through which your audience sees and understands your data, so choose wisely based on the insights you wish to convey. With your visualization ready, let's head over to the visualization pane located on the right side of the screen. Here, you need to navigate to Format Your Report page. This section serves as the command center for personalizing your reports with different formatting options, allowing you to change fonts, colors, and importantly, add background images to your charts. Now look for the option labeled Canvas Background. This is where you can incorporate any image you desire as the backdrop for your chart. Click Browse to locate the image you want to use. It could be your company logo for branding purposes, a thematic image to match the data context, or simply a neutral background that enhances readability and visual impact. Ensure the image resolution is appropriate for the size of your chart without pixelation or distortion. Once you've selected and inserted the image, adjust the transparency level to ensure the data in your chart remains clear and legible. A good practice is to start with around 50% transparency. You can tweak this based on your specific requirements to achieve the perfect balance between data visibility and visual aesthetics. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added a background image to your Power BI visualization, giving it a more professional and tailored appearance. Remember, the goal is to make your data compelling and easy to interpret. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments section, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.